Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make a Facebook video using Canva. So without any further ado, let's do this. I won't make it easy for you now. Alright, so now we are here in Canva homepage. So if you don't have an account there, just go to canva.com and then create an account. So here, even though you're not a designer or you don't know how to design, this is the tool that can help you to create your own design, and it's already made for you. All you have to do is just to choose and do some editing or change some fonts or colors that you want to for your design. So in this tutorial, we're going to make a Facebook post. Okay, so this is the template that we're going to use, which is the 940 by 788 pixel. So here are some of the templates that you can use for free. Some of them are free. So if you see there is a yellow crown here, it says Pro. You cannot use this if you don't have a Pro account. But if you are using a free account, like let's see if we can find free. Okay, so if you see that there is no crown popping up here at the bottom, then you can use that template for free. All right, you can just delete it or change the image that you want to. If you already have uploaded your images, you can just upload and drag inside of this post. Okay, so now we have a blank template here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put some backgrounds. Go to elements and go to here, so you can see a lot of background here. So just choose the background that you want to your post. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take, all you have to do is just to drag it up here, and then you just stretch it down here, so you have a background for your post. And then next we're going to upload a video. Oh no, not a video, we're going to upload an image where I already uploaded from my computer. So if you want to upload your own image, just go to your files and then upload it to a Canva, and it will show up here. So you can just click and drag it here, whatever you want it to do. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to put this one over here. Alright, you can stretch it whenever you want. So I'm going to upload again another picture because I want to cover this one, and because I don't like that. So you can also do that by doing this one. It's for the shapes, for you can choose the color that you want in there, like that. Okay, so it's all up to you guys. You can play with it to, you know, choose the color that you want to your design. All right, there you go. So now I want to cover this one, so I'm going to the elements again, and let's put a border. Okay, we can put some border here also if you want to, guys. Alright, there you go. So you see here that I found a free one that we can put here to cover this one. You can, all you have to do is just to click this one and it will pop up here. So since this is here on this side, you see this arrow, you can just flip it over like that, so it goes into the side where you want it to do. So just drag it over here, and yeah, so that's it. If that is too big for you, you can just go down, but I want to cover uh this one here, so I want it to be like kind of like that. My picture a little bit down here, so there you go. And then you can just adjust, guys, until you get what you want. So now once you've done with that, you find this one to cover the feature that you don't want to see. We can get some kind of cool donuts, because this kind of donuts is just kind of just a hand draw. So we're gonna do some anime donuts. So let's search for donuts. Alright, so now you will see so many kinds of donuts here that you can put on top of these to animate it. Okay, there are so many here that you can choose from. All you have to do is just to keep scrolling until you find what you want. But in this tutorial, because it is a donuts, so donuts. But if you're doing something different things or something else, you can still find here. Just type on a keyword on a search bar, a keyword, and it will show you what you are looking for. Okay, so now I'm gonna get these donuts. It's also free, so you have to do is just to drag it here, and you will see the donuts is just on top of this donuts. So once you see your donuts is in there already, maybe we can find some coffee here, so we can put it down there, the coffee. So that's the coffee. So let's see what coffee they have, so we can drag in there. There you go. So they have here also coffee here. Oh, maybe this one is fine also. Okay, you can just get this coffee here and put it here at the bottom so you can see. So we can just make this a little bit small. Okay, there you go. So now you have your coffee here and your donuts. Just resize this until you get the size that you want for your images. And then I think I might put one more. Yeah, maybe this one. This is cute. Okay, let's put this a little bit here, somewhere here. Now there you go. So now we've already made a simple a Facebook post. So if you have a business, or this is any kind of business, guys, all you have to do is just to design. Depends on your content, or depends on your business. So like I've showed you, I went to a donut coffee shop, so I found this kind of interesting place to create a Facebook post. So I just want to show you guys that even though you got an images or a picture or a blog that you don't like it, or you want to edit it or put a little bit more like this, you can do it in Canva for free. So if you want to use more of the tools from Canva, from Pro account, I will put the link on the description. Just click the link and then you will get a 30 days trial. So for 30 days trial, you will see what you can do using the Pro tools that you cannot have it on your free account. So if you want to create another more page, just click that one and then go to your upload, and then upload again some other uh, some other image. So I have this one, and I got it also from the donut place where I've been. So I'm gonna put this here maybe, or you can crop this. I think I might crop this one, just crop it a little bit, and then I crop this one, so I have that, and then I just put this one here and make a little bit bigger. Let's put some elements on this. Let's put some coffee over here somewhere on top of the table. All right, so that, okay, let's put coffee in there. And then we can put again some elements like let's go to a circle one. So I want to put this in a circle. So here you can also, you see the picture is really it's really nothing, so we want to decorate a little bit. So I'm gonna put this one here, and as you see, it will goes into my, it's just me. All right, okay, let's put some background here. Let's get okay, like for example, I want to use this, and I want to put this at the back. There you go. All you have to do is just to stretch this one or somewhere over here, if you want to be like that. So you see, it's become more more visible, and because of those colors that uh, connect to each other, and those rings that goes around there. So you can also do that in case of you shoot a video or an image that you don't like it and you wanted to edit it, so you can do it in Canva to make, you know, different. You see this one, you see the picture that we use in here is this one, right? Put in here, and no, in here, but we edit it and we make it a little we make it like this. All right, so that is one another example, and the picture that we put in here is this picture, you see. But you see the difference. If you put some background and some of this kind of circle, you can also put some text in here if you want to. You can also edit this one and then just put the title. Let's say Satado Coffee Shop. All right, so if you want to change this font, all you have to do is just to go here and change the font that you want to. Okay, and then you can also choose the color that you want to. If you want it to make a little bit bigger, you can also do that, and then all you have to do is just to drag this somewhere here. And also you can also animate this one if you want to. So to do that, just click this one and then click the animate. Just play with it, what kind of animation you want to. Or you can also do like this, or like this, or like that. And some of these are free, and some of this animation goes to pro account. So if you want to use the free one, you can just do this. So I think I like this. All right, so now there you go. All right, so now, like for example, you want to put an audio. Okay, click this audio on the left side, but if you have your own audio, you can also upload it and then attach to this. But here there are so many, not really many, but there are audio that you can use. But if you see this crown, the yellow crown like that, if you don't have a pro account, you cannot use it. So I don't think there are free here. I don't see any free here, but if you have a music already, you can download it and upload it to your Canva. Okay, so let's see, like for example, let's do this. Alright, so once you've downloaded, guys, now you can now publish directly to Facebook if you want to. And yeah, just make sure that you're connected to Instagram or Facebook, so it's automatically also published in Instagram if you integrate your Facebook and Instagram account. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and that's all for this tutorial, and hope this helps you to create your Facebook post using Canva. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you so much. Bye for now.